Hello everyone, I am working on Mother's Day craft ideas using 100% Dollar Tree, and right now I am just connecting the two paper towel rolls from Dollar Tree, the metal ones, together to create a stand. And I'm just using wire right now. You can use pipe cleaners, twine, zip ties if you have them, even those little bread ties that you get from a loaf of bread. Anything to connect them, and you have to connect them in 4 different spots, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. And you already seen the slideshow. Here I decorated the one waste paper basket. I removed the top with wire cutters, and then I bent in all around it to form the bodice. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? We're going to cover it up, but enough for you to know that it is the shape of a lady. And just work with it. If you need to buy 2 Dollar Tree baskets, go ahead. But this is just basically all about bending and forming. And once you see it, you'll understand. I just folded everything down first, and then I worked my way in the center, and I folded it, okay, to bring it down more. And then I pinched it right here. And thus it creates a little bust line. See the side view? Anyhow, I'm going to continue with the slideshow, and thank you for stopping in and watching my first Mother's Day DIY Dollar Tree idea. This pieces I have left. Probably create a heart with this. Stay tuned. Everyone, just a quick pause in the slideshow. Now, you just wrap 4 wires on the top of the towel holder, and then string it through the basket, and then twist the tie and connect it. Do this in 4 spots and trim. Enough to secure it onto this basket. Okay? Use anything you have in the house. Wire, twisty ties, pipe cleaners. It's going to be hidden anyways. No one will see it. I have wire. And connect it. Alright, let's continue with this. Brief pause once again. A quick tip of removing these tags, right? Don't cut them off. All you have to do is whatever stem they're connected to, pop that flower, and then slide this off. You don't know how many times I've tried to cut this out, and all I had to do was just pop the top of a flower and slide it off. It's very hard to demonstrate this holding the camera, but it does come off. See? And then you pop the flower back onto the stem. Please continue with the slideshow, and be sure to subscribe and like and share this idea. If you like something different and that has not been created yet, then share this video, because I think this is the first. Alright. Hello, a little trick when adding these flowers to the metal paper towel. When you wrap the stems, you cut them long enough off the bush, wrap the stems, and then slide it down. Okay? You're going to just create this whole entire area with whatever flowers you want. No glue whatsoever, because later on you can repurpose this by removing the flowers and adding something else. But that is my tip. Cut them long enough to where you can wrap it around and then slide it down. Okay? the metal is supposed to show a little bit. That's the given. I am not gluing anything, all right? Just piling on the flowers on the bottom. Hello. Another break in the slideshow. Please cut your pieces accordingly and wrap them. Now, I was going to buy moss at Dollar Tree, but they did not have it. So I wrapped it with one roll of burlap. And I still have half of this foam ring left. Now you're going to carefully place these around inside your basket, leaving the center open for the real plant that you're going to give Mom for Mother's Day. Let's continue with the slideshow. Here is that basic design made with DollarTree products. Now this is very versatile. You can use this as a bridal centerpiece. Add a candle on the top to highlight the bust a little more for the bride. Add a real plant and give this for Mom for Mother's Day and set it on her table or her dining room table. Or, since it's plastic flowers, you can place this outside on the porch in a covered area with a real plant. I'm thinking of an Easter lily to stick in here because there is lilies on here. However, you can get a huge plant with yellow flowers. Boy, wouldn't that look beautiful? Or just leave it like this. You don't have to do anything else. It's very simple, easy, and once again, whatever you place inside, you have room. Now for some pictures, and I thank you for watching. I will be adding a few more decorations because, like I said, this is a Mother's Day gift. Subscribe. I appreciate it. Bye.